Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your heated front seats and your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a look just over on the side here, you'll see your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and I'm just going to quickly show you just what your second row is going to look like here. So if we take a look in the back here, as you can see, you have the captain's seats in your second row, and then I'll show you the third row later on. And the nice thing is you do have the sunshade visors just located in your second and third row windows, just in case you want to block out some of that sun. And if we take a look just down below here, you are going to find the close button for the power sliding rear door. Now parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their arm jammed into the door there, you don't have to worry about that, because once the door detects that there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. Now if you want to close the doors again, just from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off, along with some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now, one of the nice things, if we just take a look at this multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there. So as you can see, you have your speedometer, distance to empty, fuel economy, all-wheel drive monitor, and then you can also take a look at your audio, lane departure alert, and your messages as well. And then going into your settings, you can take a look at your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and your settings menu. Now at the very top of that screen, you're also going to see an exterior temperature gauge. And if we take a look now just at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there. So as you can see, you have that nice split screen view of your home screen with your fuel economy, phone, and your audio. And at the very top, you'll see that digital clock. Heading into the menu screen, you'll find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, one of the nice things with the apps menu is it's part of the new Entune app suite. So as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, Slacker app. With the Scout GPS app, you can actually stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. The other thing is you can check local fuel prices or the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, located down below here, you are going to find your temperature control settings for your dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls located down below, mounted to an automatic transmission. And underneath that, you will find your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, USB and auxiliary input, and your 2 power outlets. Now, if we take a look up top here, you have that auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And at the very top here, you'll find your SOS Safety Connect. And then you'll also have your open and close for your power sliding rear doors. Now the nice thing with the SOS Safety Connect is in the event that you're in a front end collision and you're unable to respond, or actually any collision for that matter, and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're alright. Now if we take a look here as well, just throw this into reverse, as you can see with the backup camera you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to get into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on your rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now you do have that 60-40 split for your rear seat, so in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. Now to actually fold down the seats, all you have to do is just pull on the piece that's just located on the back of the seat there, and then once it's folded down into that position, there, just pull on it once more and pull it down into the floor. And then you want to make sure you pull that flap up just so that it remains nice and flat in the back there. Just if you're storing any cargo in the back there, it makes things much easier for you. And if you do forget how the seats actually fold up and down, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. But all you have to do is make sure you pull the flap up first, pull this, that way, make sure it locks itself into place, and then tilt the seat back to the desired position. Now the reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt the seat back a little bit farther just so you're a little bit more comfortable on the drive. On the right you'll see that power outlet, and then you also have some storage space over on the left hand side as well, just in case you have some smaller items you want to place in the side there. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.